Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome to my presentation video. I am delighted to be here today to share with you an innovative approach to English teaching that aims to enhance student learning outcomes and foster a dynamic learning environment. Today, we will delve into the realm of instructional design and strategies in English teaching, focusing on development of hybrid learning model tailored for linguistic course in English, the English department. This article made by Abdullah, Matalib, and Iskander. In our quest to optimize the learning experience for students, we have meticulously crafted a hybrid learning models that seamlessly integrates face-to-face interactions with virtual learning using Moodle and an open source learning platform. This model not only embraces the principle of active, interactive, and communicative learning, but also paves the way for a more engaging and personalized learning journey for our students. Throughout this presentation, we will explore the intricacies of our instructional design, which is grounded as in an interactive learning model that emphasizes collaborative discussions, task-based activities, and a vibrant learning community. And additionally, we will shed light on the competency-based curriculum that underpins our teaching materials, ensuring that students are equipped with the necessary skills and knowledge to excel in English language learning. Without further ado, let us embark on this educational odyssey and explore the boundless possibilities that instructional design and strategies in English teaching have to offer. This study aims to create a hybrid learning model and linguistic course instructional materials to improve students' language knowledge, theories, and skills, particularly in the English department. A research design and development process were used to construct the learning model and instructional materials. This research entails a lengthy process of determining the needs of students and developing linguistics products or course material to improve students' capacity or skills in learning language through hybrid learning using a Moodle platform e-learning. The participant in this study are English department students from Faculty of Languages and Literature, Universitas Negeri Makassar, Indonesia. The student in the English Education and Literature department served as the study sample. The study's findings revealed a hint of hybrid learning model based on Moodle e-learning syllabus, linguistic course design, instructional material, and students' worksheet activities or exercises. The creation of a Moodle-based hybrid learning model in the linguistic course, which includes the learning procedures and steps, teaching materials, and assessment of learning outcomes. Intended to improve student learning abilities, particularly in the English department, which includes aspects of knowledge, attitudes, and skills under today's curriculum demands. The linguistic courses teaching materials were built on a Moodle-based hybrid learning paradigm that adheres to active, interactive, and communicative learning concepts. In this learning, active, creative, and communicative learning strategies and techniques and flexible learning strategies and methods are extremely conceivable. In the pursuit of enhancing student learning outcomes, we have developed a hybrid learning model that seamlessly integrates face-to-face interaction with the virtual learning using Moodle, an open source e-learning platform. This study focuses on developing a hybrid learning model based on Moodle e-learning for a linguistic course to enhance students' language knowledge, theories, and skills in the English department at University Negeri Makassar. This model designed to promote active, interactive, and communicative learning to create a dynamic and engaging learning environment for students. So, what is Moodle? So, Moodle is an open source course management system. It is utilized in the hybrid learning model to enhance student involvement, responsibility, and learning outcomes in translating and linguistics related studies. The development of teaching materials for the linguistic course includes syllabus design, instructional materials, and student assessment, aiming to improve students' learning abilities in line with today's curriculum demands and fostering creativity through active and flexible learning strategies. So the research articles discusses the development of instructional materials and strategies of English teaching in the context of a linguistic course. So there are some key points related to the instructional design and strategies in English teaching based on the research journal. The first one is hybrid learning model. The study focuses on developing a hybrid learning model based on a Moodle e-learning for English teaching. This model combines face-to-face learning with virtual learning using Moodle to enhance student learning abilities in the English department. And then the second one is interactive learning model. The design of teaching materials is based on an interactive learning model consisting of discussion, learning community, and task-based learning. This approach emphasizes active, interactive, and communicative learning concepts in English teaching. And then we move to the third competency-based curriculum. The teaching materials are developed based on a competency-based curriculum model. The syllabus and lecture contracts are prepared to align with the competencies required for English language learning. And then before the last one, active learning techniques. The hybrid learning model incorporates active learning techniques to engage students in the learning process. Strategies such as discovery learning, project-based learning, and problem-based learning are used to promote active and creative learning in English teaching. And then we move to the fifth, flexible learning strategies. So the hybrid learning models allows for flexible learning strategies and methods in English teaching. Students are encouraged to participate in individual and group activities, complete assignments, and engage in discussions both in the classroom and through online platforms. And then the sixth one, immediate feedback. The model emphasizes providing immediate feedback to the students on their learning progress. This feedback loop helps students track their performance and make improvement in their English language skills. And then the last one, collaborative learning. The model promotes a collaborative learning through group activities, discussions, and assignments. Students are encouraged to work together to find answers and solutions, fostering a sense of a community and shared learning in English teaching. So in conclusion, the instructional design and strategies presented in this session demonstrated a research-informed approach to English teaching. By embracing innovation, collaboration, and creativity, educators can leverage evidence-based practices to create engaging and effective learning environment that supports success in language learning. So that's all for me. Thank you for your attention. I look forward to discussing for further how instructional design and strategies can elevate English teaching in our department. Let us continue to explore the transformative power of education together. See you in the next video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.